Hello people, my latest. I bought this bike recently. It's a Soco CPX. I got it used at a good price. I wanted something that could carry two people and also be powerful enough. It has the same instrument panel as my TS. And I've decided to do several things with it because I found things that were, for me at least, they were very wrong. One of the things that is a feature that they advertise, and in my opinion they shouldn't, is that it has two batteries. And it only uses one at a time. That ruins the advantage of having two batteries, because it doesn't really matter if you only work one at a time. They say that when the first one is depleted, then it goes to the second, and then you might see some check engine lights, you might see stupid behavior and all that. The thing is that I managed to hack this, and I'm using two batteries at the same time, and my range with this setup was more than 165 kilometers at speeds of 50-55 kilometers an hour, and I still had 18%. Now I've done another thing. I had two new 35 amp hour batteries that are the same voltage as the ones in the Soco. They are 71.4, but the Soco charges them up to 70.5. So I've managed to connect these to the other two batteries. So right now I have 160 amp hours for this, and I'm hoping to get a range of at least 200 kilometers. So I manage, if all things go well, I will manage to go to the Chalkidiki resorts and back without the need to recharge. That would be splendid. Right now I have the huge charger to charge it. As you can see with the watt meter, it still pulls out 760 watts. Might be still a long way to go to reach 100%, but I'm planning to test it and see how it goes. There's not much weight with this. Its battery is at 11 or 12 kilos, so it's only 24 kilos on the back. That's nothing for this bike. I mean, I will ride it alone this time, so there will be no problem with the weight. I also plan to do things to the controller, because this doesn't even have regenerative braking. You buy a huge, relatively expensive motorcycle, and it doesn't even have regenerative braking. That's how low they get these days. They decided to have a CAN bus system for the batteries and not regenerative braking for the controller. That's how good they are. Anyway, I'm planning to change all this. I will either be able to reprogram it, or I will install a parallel ECU like I did with my TS, and this will be a proper bike to ride for any rider who wants something decent for the money that one can spend. That's all for now. I will have it to recharge, and then I'm going to take it for a very long ride. I'm gonna do it during the night time, because the sun burns a lot these days. That's all.